That's my next video on old apps. I arranged it just for this video because I arranged the top view. And kept the bottoms the same. I don't know why. I'm gonna put them back in the next video for no real reason. What is this? Let's do save slot 1. Okay. What is she wearing? Why is it a black and white? What is it? Oh god, no! It's so bad! What are you doing? What? What? This is stupid! It's just basic editing! Why was this ever made? Also, I think this music might be copyrighted. Let's do blimp, I guess. Please, yes, tell me how to fly my blimp. Oh. Hyper-realistic bombs. Maybe I have to do it less? Like, you do a tap? What do I do here? Huh? Oh, it's like, who the hell? How the hell do you do this? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?